Hello children. In compound interest, today we will see different variety. This is if some amount is paid back in between in installments. Okay. Mr. Dubey borrows rupees 1 lakh from State Bank of India at 11% per annum compound interest. So what is this? Borrows means what? Principal. Okay. Rate is 11% and interest is compound interest. He repays rupees 41,000 at the end of first year and 47,700 at the end of second year. Find the amount outstanding at the beginning of third year. So if we do not use the formula and if we do year wise, it will go easy for us. Why? Because here at the end of every year or at the beginning of the first year, at the end of every year, some amount is being paid. That results into the reduction of the principal which will be outstanding for the next year. So let's see how do we work out with this. Principal amount is rupees 1 lakh. Rate is 11%. Okay. Now for first year wise we will do. So for first year, let's calculate the interest. For the first year calculation, principal is what? Rupees 1 lakh. Rate is 11% and for first year, so time is 1 year we are calculating here. So interest will be what? 1 lakh into 11 into 1 upon 100. So as you scratch out, what left here? 1000 multiplied by 11. What is the answer here? Rupees 11,000 interest for the first year. So what will be the amount at the end of first year? Principal plus interest. So 1 lakh plus 11,000. So what it becomes? 1 lakh 11,000. This is the amount at the end of first year. Normally this amount works as principal for the next year. But what is mentioned here? Mr. Dubey repays rupees 41,000 at the end of first year. So we will mention here as he repays rupees 41,000 at the end of first year. Hence the amount outstanding for the second year will be what? 1,11,000 minus 41,000. Okay, and always have right hand side. You need to work out with this because we are doing it in hurry and sometimes then unnecessarily we make a mistake, and also this is necessary. Ray 1 I am saying this. Okay. 11 minus 4, so what it will be? 70,000 is. So here you write, therefore here I write rupees 70,000. Next step will explain it. Now we'll go for the second year. So did you understand here? Because of the repayment, what is happening? That amount, though it was 1,11,000, because he paid this amount, it has reduced. So for the second year, let's see now what will be the principal. Now this reduced amount, right? 70,000. Rate remains same. And time also will be what? 1 year. So calculate the interest again for the second year. 70,000 into 11 into 1 upon 100. So what do you get? 11 7s are 77. How many zeros? 2. 7700. That is 7,700. Therefore, what will be the amount at the end of second year? We can write it as A1. Okay, no need to write, anyhow it is going to change. Amount will be what? Principal. What was the principal? 70,000. Plus what is the interest for this year? 7700. So adding this will give you 77,700. This is the amount. But again, he is making a payment of 47,700, right? So as he repays rupees 47,700 at the end of second year. Therefore, now directly I'll write for the answer. You have to find the amount outstanding at the beginning of third year. That is the principal for the third year. So, amount outstanding at the beginning of third year will be what? Principal amount obtained at the end of second year, 77,700 minus 47,700. So what is the amount here? Rupees 30,000. I think it is clear to everyone. You can pause, you can solve it yourself, you can check it yourself. Okay, let's see another variety. Let's see this question now. What sum will amount to rupees 18,522 in 1.5 years at 10% per annum compound interest half yearly? Okay, so the question changes here. We need to find what sum will amount to rupees 18,522. So what you need to understand, 18,522 is what? Amount. And what sum is going to amount like this means what we need to find is principal. Time is 1.5, rate is 10%, but it is calculated, compound interest calculated half yearly. So only you have to use the half yearly formula. So we will assume let the principal amount be P. Okay, what is given? A is given, amount is given 18,522, rate 10% per annum. Okay, and the time N is 1.5 years. Okay, since I am using the direct formula, I do not do any changes in the given content. A is equal to P bracket 1 plus what I will write? R upon 200 raised to 2n. Substitute the value. A is already given here, 18522 equals P, the bracket 1 plus 10 upon 200 raised to, now this 1.5 here only we will convert it into the improper fraction, 3 upon 2 years, right? So that we can work out here, na? 3 upon 2 multiplied by 2, 2n, na? So it becomes 3. Then look at the calculation. P, simplify this bracket. 1 upon 20. 20 ones are 20 plus 1. 21 upon 20 whole raised to 3. This is what we have got here. So how would you work out it? 18522 is equal to P, okay, into 21 upon 20 3 times. Okay, now since we are going to simplify it, do not work out, do not find this product, because we have to cancel only, na? So this will get simplified. So P, on the right hand side what I have? 18522, okay, and this P shifted here. So 21 upon 20 what it will become? 20 upon 21 20 upon 21 into 20 upon 21. With the simplest possible knowledge also, children, you can work out with this. The only thing, leave here some space so that calculation will have some space over there. Now check out with 3's division. In this now you can keep using the divisibility test. Okay, this is 9 and 5, 9, 9, 9, 18. So this number is divisible by 3. 3 sevens are, work out this. 3 6 are, 1s are, 7s are 21, and 3 4s are 12. Okay, again 6 plus 1 7, 7 7 14 plus 18, again divisible by 3. So work out. This will go how many times? 3 2s are 6, 0, don't forget 1 is there. Then 3 5s are 15 and 3 8s are 24. Okay, again 5 this is, add the digits and check if it divisible by 3, you will observe. So by 7 by 3. So 2 6 3 6 are 18, 3 8s are 24, and again 3 6 are 18. Okay, now check out if it is divisible by 7. Okay, 7 9s are 63, and 7 8s are 56, 98, and this do you know only. 14 7s are, 1s are, and 2s are. This is the simplest possible way, whole way I have explained it to you. You can do it directly also, that is up to you. What I wanted to show that carefully if you do, you can work out with that, right? So don't forget here, what left here is 2, right? So 2 into, this is what? 2 into 2 into 2 is what? 8. How many zeros? 3. So finally 8 2s are 16,000. So what is the answer? What was the sum borrowed? The required sum is rupees 16,000, right? Solve the similar pattern yourself. A sum of rupees 16,000 earns rupees 1,640 as interest in 2 years when compounded annually. Find the rate of interest. Pretty simple question it is. Sum of rupees 16,000 earns 1,640 as interest. So 16,000 is what? Principal. 1,640 is what? Interest. Using principal and interest, what we can calculate is amount, right? Time is given and simply you have to find the rate. So direct use of formula, but we are not finding amount here, we are finding rate. So let's see how the steps change here. First thing, write down what is given. Principal rupees 16,000. Time 2 years. And also we need to calculate the amount. Amount is what? Principal plus compound interest. That is 16,000 plus 1,640, that is 17,640 rupees, right? And what we have to calculate is rate. Now use the formula. Direct formula use. A is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to what? N. So 1 amount 17640 is equal to 16,000 bracket 1 plus R is unknown raised to N. N is what? 2. Now we can shift it to the left hand side. 17640 upon 16,000. So you understand, we can simplify this. Now this you can work out or you can leave it as it is up to you. I will work out. So what it will be? 100 into 100 plus r. Okay, 100 plus r upon 100 whole raised to 2. Little indices part we will have to work out here. Both are even numbers. Also both can be simplified with 4. So with 4 I will simplify. 4 4s are 16. Here also 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 61. We have answer 441 and 400. Both of them are perfect square number, right? 441 is the square of what? 21. 400 is the square of 20. So instead of 441 upon 400, I can write whole raised to 2. Clear? Is equal to 100 plus r upon 100 again whole raised to 2. These are actually, you get these steps automatically. Then both sides are square. So if the indices are same, you know, bases are also same. That property we shall use. So what will I get? 21 upon 20 is equal to 100 plus r upon 100. 100 would go this side. 21 upon 20 multiplied by 100 is equal to 100 plus r. 1, 5. So what it is? 105 is equal to 100 plus r. R will be simply 105 minus 100. That is what? 5. So answer is, rate of interest is what? 5% per annum. That's it. So 3 varieties we have seen here. Similar to that, so many solved questions are there in your book, and also exercise problem. So you need to practice at least 2 problems of each pattern, right? Do it. Bye.